Cats possess an extraordinary capacity to see in conditions where human vision is significantly impaired. This adaptation underlies much of their predatory success, nocturnal activity, and survival strategies, allowing them to navigate, hunt, and interact with their environment under low-light conditions. Understanding the mechanisms, limitations, and evolutionary origins of feline night vision reveals a sophisticated integration of anatomy, physiology, behavior, and sensory perception. Feline nocturnal vision is not merely a matter of seeing in the dark. It involves a combination of structural adaptations, cellular specialization, neural processing, and behavioral strategies that collectively enhance performance in dimly lit environments. The anatomical foundation for cats' night vision begins with the structure of the eye itself. Compared to humans, cats have larger corneas relative to eye size, allowing more light to enter the eye. The pupils are highly elastic and vertically slit, capable of extreme dilation to maximize light intake under low-light conditions. This ability to adjust the aperture rapidly enables precise control over retinal illumination, accommodating both bright daylight and near total darkness. The lens is also specialized for focusing light efficiently across a range of distances, complementing the pupil's dynamic range and ensuring that images remain relatively sharp even under limited illumination. At the cellular level, the retina of the feline eye exhibits unique adaptations that enhance low-light vision. Rod photoreceptors, which are highly sensitive to dim light, dominate the retina, outnumbering cone cells that are responsible for color discrimination and high-resolution vision. This rod predominance allows cats to detect minute differences in light intensity and movement, even when visual contrast is minimal. While cats perceive colors less vividly than humans, particularly in the red spectrum, their ability to detect subtle variations in grayscale and motion is superior, reflecting a trade-off that favors nocturnal hunting over chromatic acuity. Rod density, distribution, and connectivity to retinal ganglion cells are all optimized for low-light sensitivity, enabling rapid transmission of visual information to the brain for processing and interpretation. Another crucial adaptation is the tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer situated behind the retina. The tapetum functions as a biological mirror, reflecting photons that pass through the retina back onto the photoreceptor layer, effectively giving the rods a second opportunity to absorb light. This reflection enhances the sensitivity of the eye in dim conditions, allowing cats to see at light levels approximately 6 to 8 times lower than humans require. The phenomenon also explains the characteristic eye shine observed when light strikes a cat's eyes at night. While the tapetum increases light sensitivity, it slightly reduces image sharpness due to the scattering of reflected light, indicating a balance between resolution and sensitivity optimized for nocturnal activity. Cats' night vision is further enhanced by the density and arrangement of retinal cells. Peripheral vision, critical for detecting movement and potential prey, is especially sensitive to light and motion. This arrangement allows cats to identify subtle changes in their environment, even when contrast is low or shadows dominate. Motion detection is particularly critical for predatory behavior, enabling cats to track small, fast-moving targets such as rodents or insects under minimal illumination. While visual acuity in darkness is lower than in daylight, the combination of rod sensitivity, tapetum reflection, and large pupils allows cats to navigate obstacles, avoid hazards, and pursue prey with remarkable precision. Evolutionary pressures have shaped these adaptations. Ancestors of domestic cats were crepuscular or nocturnal hunters, relying on stealth and timing to capture small mammals that are most active during dawn and dusk. Vision optimized for low-light conditions provided a competitive advantage, allowing cats to detect prey while minimizing their own exposure to larger predators. The ability to operate effectively under limited illumination also facilitated exploration of complex environments, such as dense vegetation or rocky terrain, where relying solely on daylight vision would have limited foraging opportunities and survival chances. Modern domestic cats retain these ancestral traits, demonstrating nocturnal activity patterns, hunting behaviors, and sensitivity to subtle light changes, Even in urban or indoor settings, behavioral observations confirm the importance of night vision in everyday feline life. Cats often exhibit peak activity during dusk and dawn, known as crepuscular periods, when ambient light is low but sufficient for predatory precision. In dimly lit homes, cats are able to move stealthily, locate objects, and interact socially without colliding with obstacles. They use a combination of visual, auditory, and tactile cues, including whisker feedback and sensitive paw pads, to complement their limited light perception. The coordination of multiple sensory modalities enhances navigation, spatial awareness, and hunting efficiency in darkness. Cats' ability to perceive motion is especially critical under low-light conditions. Even when static objects are difficult to resolve clearly, moving objects trigger robust responses in the retina and higher visual centers. This sensitivity allows cats to detect subtle prey movements or environmental changes that might be invisible to humans under similar lighting. Peripheral vision, enhanced by rod distribution, supports the detection of motion beyond the central visual field, enabling early detection and rapid response. These capabilities are integral not only to predatory success but also to survival in dynamic environments where rapid orientation and reaction are essential. While cats are highly adapted to low-light vision, their capacity has limits. In complete darkness, with no available light for rod activation, visual perception becomes negligible. Under such conditions, cats rely on other senses, including hearing, smell, and tactile feedback from whiskers, to navigate and interact with the environment. Even under starlight or moonlight, cats demonstrate remarkable functional vision, illustrating the combination of anatomical and behavioral adaptations that optimize performance under challenging conditions. The interplay between physiological sensitivity and strategic behavior enables cats to function effectively across a wide range of illumination levels. Comparative studies with humans and other mammals highlight the specialization of feline night vision. Humans, with cone-dominated retinas optimized for color discrimination and high acuity, perform poorly under low-light conditions relative to cats. Dogs, while possessing greater rod density than humans, lack the extensive tapetum reflection and fine-tuned rod arrangement present in cats. These differences illustrate the evolutionary trade-offs between acuity, color perception, and low-light sensitivity, reflecting ecological niches, predatory strategies, and activity cycles. Feline adaptations exemplify a system optimized for nocturnal hunting and spatial navigation, favoring sensitivity and motion detection over color discrimination. Neural processing also contributes to effective night vision. Signals from rod cells are integrated and amplified by retinal interneurons before transmission to the optic nerve and visual cortex. Temporal summation allows cats to accumulate photon input over short intervals, improving perception in dim light. Neural circuits prioritize contrast and movement over fine detail, reflecting the functional demands of hunting, obstacle avoidance, and environmental scanning. Combined with anatomical adaptations, this neural processing supports rapid and accurate behavioral responses under suboptimal illumination. Environmental and human factors influence the expression of night visual behavior. Indoor lighting, window exposure, and access to outdoor spaces modulate activity patterns, hunting attempts, and navigation. Cats adapt dynamically to light availability, adjusting movement, play behavior, and exploratory activity according to illumination levels. The presence of reflective surfaces, artificial lights, and sudden illumination changes can affect orientation, highlighting the sensitivity and adaptability of the feline visual system. Behavioral adjustments complement anatomical and physiological adaptations, allowing cats to exploit available light efficiently. Cats' night visual capacity represents a sophisticated integration of anatomical, cellular, neural, and behavioral adaptations that enable remarkable performance under low-light conditions. Large, vertically slit pupils, high rod density, reflective tapetum lucidum, peripheral motion sensitivity, and neural summation collectively create a system optimized for nocturnal and crepuscular activity. Evolutionary pressures, predatory strategies, and habitat requirements have shaped these capabilities, ensuring survival, hunting success, and environmental navigation in dim illumination. Observational studies and comparative analysis demonstrate that cats surpass most mammals, including humans, in their ability to function effectively in near darkness, though they remain dependent on minimal light for optimal vision. Understanding these mechanisms informs both scientific knowledge and practical considerations for domestic care, emphasizing the importance of light conditions, safe exploration, and behavioral enrichment. Cats' night vision is thus a testament to evolutionary ingenuity, combining structural specialization, sensory refinement, and behavioral sophistication to enable survival, predation, and interaction in the environment.